Hey guys, I will show you how to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox in Windows 11. So basically what is VirtualBox? VirtualBox is a tool which is allowed to install any operating system virtually on your host operating system. For example, you can run Ubuntu operating system virtually on your Windows operating system using VirtualBox. So first of all, open the Google and search VirtualBox. So you can click on first click Oracle VirtualBox. So we have to download VirtualBox. After downloading VirtualBox, this is a VirtualBox 7.1.12.exe. So after downloading the VirtualBox, you can download Ubuntu. So for Ubuntu, you can again go to Google and search Ubuntu latest version and click on download Ubuntu for desktop and click on here. So the total setup of is 5.9 GB of Ubuntu. After installing Ubuntu, then you can open the VirtualBox and click on new. Then you can set the name anything that you want, like I set Digimentor PK, then type is Linux and subtype is Ubuntu. Then you can finish. Okay, sometime you can see the option like next. In next you can set all setting that I show you again, like you can go to setting and then you can see everything that I done, like name, type, subtype and version. So then you can go to advanced. In advanced you can set bidirectional in shared clipboard and here again bidirectional is drag and drop. So what is this? Shared clipboard mean host operating system, that is Windows, and your Ubuntu operating system, you can send files drag and drop by using bidirectional. Okay, then you can go to system and set the base memory as you want, like 2048 or 40, something that you want you can done. Okay, then you can go to display. Here is the video memory and monitor counter. You can set everything that you want. Okay, then is storage. In storage you can click on empty and again click on here and click on choose create a virtual box, virtual optical disk, and then again click on add and choose Ubuntu that you download. Okay, choose and open. Okay, then you can again choose and okay. So everything is done. So you can click on start button. So when you click on start button, some seconds you have to wait here to running this, because the virtual machine is starting and you can see this type of interface. So after it you can click on try or install Ubuntu, like you can click, so you can press. When you press you can see the black screen sometime, and after some time you can show the next screen like reddish. So if your screen is stuck here, like your screen is stuck for 10 minutes or 20 minutes, so it's too much. So when your screen is stuck on black, then you can click on machine. Okay, you can see in the top of file, machine, view, input, devices, help. So you have to done something that your problem is solved. I will show you what you done. Okay, so if your process is running, then you see this type of screen like um, maroon. Okay, like this type of text that you show. Here is the some configuration of Ubuntu that is done here. Okay, so if your screen is stuck on black screen, okay, then you can click on machine You can see this type of setting, take snapshots, file manager, show log pause and everything. So then you can click on reset. If you click on reset, then your everything reset on VirtualBox manager, and your again you can start your by using here button that you can see. When you click on, then everything running start again, and hope so your problem is solved. Okay, if your problem is not still solved, you can comment here. I will tell you some more tips. Okay, so we need to wait some here till the configuration is completed that you see here. I pause this video because it takes some time. So after this, you can see this type of interface after completing this configuration. So your Ubuntu is preparing here. When your Ubuntu is completed to prepare, then I will show you what you do next. So we need to again wait some seconds here. So I will here with you. I will tell you step by step what you do next. Okay, so it's very easy to install Ubuntu in your system. Maybe in 10 to 20 seconds it's completed. So I will show you what you do next. Please subscribe and share my channel with your friends and colleagues. And if you want to learn Fiverr and Shopify, WordPress, then you can visit my channel DG Mentor PK and learn what you want. Okay, so now everything completed. You can see this type of interface. Then you can click on next after choosing language. So I will go with English language, that is by default. Then you can see this type of interface. So we can again click on next. So after choosing the keyboard layout, you can click on next. Then you can see this type of interface like connect to the internet. So we go to default user device connection and click on next. So skip, and you can click on install Ubuntu and next. You can also go with the interactive installation and automated file, auto install file. So you can go with interactive installation. So you can see this type of interface like default selection and extended selection. So we can go with default selection. So you can see this type of interface. So we check on here on both thing, and next. So next you can see this type of interface. You can go with erase disk and install Ubuntu. So you cannot worry about it, because in Ubuntu operating system your everything erased. Okay, so it's already empty, so don't worry, you don't erase everything on your Windows operating system. So you can go with this step. Okay, next. And then you can see this type of encryption and file system, and encryption with the passphrase. So you can go with the no encryption. Okay, then you can create account, like you can set any name, like I set with the Bilal, and I remove this. Then you can set password, everything that you want, and then you go with the next. So this is your time zone and your location where you are live. So my location in Vienna, Austria. So then we can click on next, and you can see the all thing that you done. You can review your choices. Then you can install again. So after copying files, everything that you do, so I will show you what you do next. So we will some wait here. So next you can see this type of interfaces when the copying file is running here. So don't worry, it takes some time. Okay, After completing this, I will show you what you do next. Okay, so it's very easy to install Ubuntu operating system in your host window operating system. Okay, in a virtual box. How cool is that? Subscribe and share my channel with your friends and colleagues that want to learn something like technical things like uh, earning platforms, web development, e-commerce, everything that you can learn. My playlist on my YouTube channels. So now installing the system, it takes some time more. So I will with you, because if I pause it then you cannot understand what you do next. So we are here with you. You can see this type of screens or interfaces when you installing this. Okay, so this is your setup that you done here. Like my setup is Ubuntu 25.04, and when you do your latest version is I don't know. So now the latest version is Ubuntu 25.04. So when it's completed, I will run commands some. So I will tell you which command that you run, and I will these commands put in description box that you can copy easily and use in your terminal. Okay, after installing, setting up the system is continuing. After it's completed, your Ubuntu system is successfully installed in your operating system, that is Windows, that is host operating system. So my Ubuntu 25.05 is installed and ready to use. So restart now. You can click on restart now. So your Ubuntu is restarting. So restarting is completed. You can click on your this and write the password that you can set. This is the interface of your Ubuntu operating system. So you can click on next. So you can check this. No, do not share system data, and next. Again finish, and your Ubuntu operating system is successfully installed. So after installing everything, we have to run some commands because the screen is too small and is not compatible with your Windows screen or your PC screen. Okay, so open the terminal. First go to here and search terminal. So you can see this type of interface. So first you have to run first command, that is sudo apt update. So what is sudo? So sudo is the Linux command that is used to remove, install or update the softwares. Okay, so what is apt? So apt is the package manager for Ubuntu system or other debians, like installing, updating and upgrading and removing software from repositories. Okay, so sudo apt install and press enter. So you have to give the password that you set. So the working is start. After completing this, you have to some wait here. When this command is completed successfully, then the second command that you run, the command is that sudo apt install build essential dkms Linux header. Next you have to add $sign and uname -r. So this command is used to install your build essentials like dkms, Linux header, etc. You have to install all type of these. So you can use this command for installing this. So you have to enter this. So the unable to locate package Linux headers. So he said, let me check essential. So the Linux, the capital L, so we have to add small l. So we have to enter Y. So the working is start. When the working is completed, then I will show you what you do next. Just two commands that I will show you. One is sudo apt update and second one is sudo apt install build essential dkms linux headers $sign uname -r. So it's almost completed within 10 to 15 seconds, and then you can see, you can simply go to after completing this. So you can see the devices and add insert guest addition CD images. So you can see the VirtualBox guest addition. What is CD? CD is for VirtualBox guest addition into your Ubuntu operating system command. Okay. So you have to run this command cd media. आगे आपका नेक्स्ट जो आपका नेम है, जैसे माय नेम इज बिलाल हियर, लाइक योर यूजर नेम. ओके, एंड अगेन दिस, देन द VBox underscore GAS underscore 7.1.12. Okay, so here is VBox, not Gbox. Okay, Gbox, GAS, sorry, VBox, GAS. Okay, so we have to enter. So you can see media Bilal VBox, your version of CD. Okay, then you run the command ls. ls is for listing files. You can see all the files that in run here. So next command that I will run here, /. So that is for current directory you can use. Okay, so dot /auto run .sh. So you can see he said you can give the password. After this your Ubuntu is restarting. So after completing this, your Ubuntu system is restart, and then you can resize your screen like full screen like window. So this is the way you can resize and see full screen of Ubuntu on your system, and you can install Ubuntu on your Windows operating system using VirtualBox. Okay, so subscribe and share my channel with your friends and colleagues. Just we need to wait some seconds. Previous command that I run, that is /auto run.sh. This is for shell script. Okay, for installing VirtualBox guest edition. So everything okay. So in this way you can see your window screen of Ubuntu operating system is okay. Your window screen is big like your Windows 11 operating system screen. Okay, in this way you can set your screen by using these commands. Okay, So we have to end this lecture here.